Hi, everyone. I have a message from November 29th, just a few days ago, about waves of blue light. And for those who don't know me, my name is Kristen Husted, and my practice is called Well Balanced. And I run an integrative, intuitive, holistic practice, helping people heal from body, mind, and spirit issues. And I am fortunate and very thankful to be channeling the wisdom of Sophia, who is the feminine essence of the Holy Spirit. And this has all come new for me in the last 8 months. And I am finally going to come out of the closet, come out in public and share these profound inspirations and wisdom that are coming through Sophia, which means the wisdom of ages. And so on November 29th, I got this waves of blue light message. And it says, waves of blue light are pulsating through the land right now, and their frequencies are recalibrating the body and healing the cells. They are reconstructing the membranes of each cell, helping them remember their divine blueprint. Each cell is taking in this information and awakening new strands of DNA that have lain dormant. It is through the awakening of the 13th DNA strand that you will feel completely different. You will be surprised by the knowledge and wisdom you can obtain. You will be amazed at how light your body will feel and how you will feel energized and renewed. But as the light codes come in, you also may feel tired and worn out or discombobulated. This is simply a birthing process. Relax and allow. Stay still and absorb these new energetics. Remain quiet and centered as your cellular structures change. There is nothing you need to do except stay centered in the heart with love and gratitude. It will help to drink plenty of water and eat healthy foods from the earth, exercise and stretch your body to allow this greater energy to flow with you. Allow this time, for it is a period of renewal and rebirth. And it's so interesting because in the last month, I kept hearing this is a womb stage time. This is a quiet time. I kept hearing them go, shh, 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 be still, be quiet. And as we learn to align to this new energy coming in, we will awaken to this new DNA strand, the 13th DNA strand. But I am trusting these messages coming through. They have been profound and they've been spot on. So know that you are being changed on a cellular structure. Know that if you're feeling tired and worn out, it's not like something's wrong with you. Just know you're recalibrating. We are in an evolutionary change, and this is going to take some time. And so we are getting an upgrade in our system. I'm going to go back through and just talk about a few things. So waves of blue light are pulsating in the land right now, and their frequencies are recalibrating our body. And so remember in the other video that I put in that new energies are here. These new energies are light codes coming in from the sun. It's like the divine infused these light codes into the sun in order to help us on our evolutionary path. And quite often when I'm in my meditations, I see blue light, and I even get information from what is going to sound really bizarre, but blue light beings, blue angels of light, and they deliver a lot of messages about healing. Also, when I'm doing my healings on people or I'm facilitating healing, I get blue light coming through. Sometimes I see it go through someone's entire body. Sometimes I see them surrounded with blue light. Sometimes I see blue light just in the area that needs healing. And this information keeps coming in that this blue light is help healing and changing. So what didn't surprise me when I got this message that the blue light is in the land right now, it is going through everyone right now. It is giving that gift of healing to everyone. So be still and just be heart aligned to it and just allow for this healing to come forth. You do not need to understand this process. How could you? We have never been here before. That is why you've got to let go of the old thinking and just like throw in the towel and be like, I'm all in. I'm all in for this evolutionary massive change of wonder and mystery that is across the land right now. And it is recalibrating our body and healing our cells. They're restructuring the membranes of our cells and reminding us of our blueprint of who we are, the divine blueprint. The very structure of who we truly are is being infused into our cellular structure. No more is that chaos of of all the things that we've been through going to be the driving force of the information in each cell. Each cell is going to have information from the divine of who we truly are. We are a child of God. We are a spark of light. And so that information is going to be coming into our cells and restructuring our cells. Now, let's go back to Bruce Lipton's work. He is a cellular biologist, and he always talks about how the cells get information from their outside source, from your environment, from your thoughts, mostly from your thoughts, and also from your past experiences that create thoughts of lack of and not enough. And so it's really interesting that now we're being given this amazing chance to have this divine blue light come in and give us our true birthright of information into our cells. And that's only gonna restructure and give our cells new information, awakening this 13th strand that has been laying dormant. And it goes on to say this 13th strand will feel completely different. You will be surprised at the knowledge and wisdom you can obtain. You will be amazed at how light your body will feel and how energized and renewed you'll feel. And also they say that during this process, you might feel tired and discombobulated. That is okay. It's simply a birthing process. It just takes time. Like when we were in our wombs of our mothers, it takes time for the cells to form and regenerate. Allow this birthing time to take as much time as it needs to for your individual journey. It is not a race. It is not a comparison. It is simply an allowance and letting everything to percolate and grow in divine timing. So that's the next sentence says, relax and allow, stay still and absorb these new energies. Remain quiet and centered as your cellular structures change. There is nothing you need to do except stay centered in your heart with love and gratitude. This love and gratitude and heart-centered focus is so important in this next era that we are walking into. It is no longer ego driven. It is about heart centered love and gratitude, non judgment. They say it over and over and over again in all the channelings I get. And how simple is that? Just love, just be love and grateful for everything, even in the challenges that still come upon you. Thank them. And remember, this new light energy, this new thought form of energy is going to help soften everything and help us move through and find quicker, easier, more elegant solutions, is what they said in the December energy forecast channeling that I did the other day. And it says it will help for you to drink plenty of water and eat healthy foods from the earth, exercise and stretch to allow this greater energy to flow in. And we still are earthly beings. So we still need to do the right things for our body, minds, and spirits. And it's really interesting because I am a fascial stretch therapist and a Reiki master and a grief and trauma counselor and a Pilates instructor and all those things. I have always seen the benefit of allowing for the body to come into alignment in order to allow the mind to come into alignment, in order to allow the spirit to come into alignment. And so it is very crucial during this time to eat healthy, drink plenty of water, do your exercise, get out in the sun, give your gratitude list, love on your neighbors, love on your family, love on yourself, and allow for this time of renewal and rebirth. And I am so honored, truly, deeply honored to be here to help you on this journey. And I love you all, and I send you lots of love on this great, grand awakening. Be easy on yourself and have fun and just relax and let go. Thank you and have a great day.